or you can give power. And the third one is the breadboard, that is horizontally connected, and that is vertical connected. Now the fourth is jumper cable to connect with the breadboard by Arduino, and we are making a LED blinking project, so we need a LED. Now let's build the circuit. First we need the Arduino board, and the second is the breadboard. Now prepare the circuit. Here is Arduino and breadboard. Now we connect with jumper cable. We connected to the ground. Here is 2 ground, but I will connect it the 3. The Arduino is total 3 ground. First I do here the ground and connect with the horizontally connected. Here the negative. Now we are working on 13 number digital pins. Now here I am connect with the 13 number pin digital, and I connect to here because that's a vertical power connected. Now that's the LED in my hand. That's a small leg of the LED, that's a long leg of the LED. Remember that the long leg of the LED is positive and the small leg of the LED is negative. The small leg, that means negative, will be connected to the ground, and the positive will be connected to the 30 number pin. That means vertical connected. Now we'll connect with that. There's the horizontally connected. Now we'll connect with that here. And now I'll connect with the vertical connected. Now our circuit is ready. It's so easy to make a circuit with the Arduino and a board. The LED blinking project. Now I'll show the easy code of Arduino LED blinking project. First here you can see there's 2 part, while setup and while loop. Now in the while setup we'll give the pin, which pin will work on it. I'll work on it 30 number pin and will output the power. Now first I write the what setup, then the circular bracket, then curly braces, and the pin mode code, and then circular bracket 30 number pin, then it will be output, and the semicolon. Semicolon is the rule of coding. The while loop, this is the part 2. Now I will show you what does loop mean. Loop means that repetition, a loop of instruction that is executed repeatedly. That means a loop. Now for them use the while loop, then circular bracket, then curly braces. And 13 is a digital pin that I will give digital red. If 13 is an analog pin, then I will give the analog red. That is digital red, 30 number pin, high, that I will give the power, that means on, and delay. Delay in here is delay means wait. In delay will give 200 milliseconds, and digital red 30 number pin, and low is off, and delay 200 milliseconds. Then now is the semicolon, and the last curly braces. There's an easy code of Arduino. Now I'll check if it's wrong or correct. Now here you can see that's correct. Now my attention. Now connect the USB cable to the code. Now I'm connected the USB cable to the Arduino, so we can give code to the Arduino. Now you can see the LED is blinking. And you can see that is also blinking and that is also blinking. When the code will be work, then also this LED will be work like that.